6,000.
6,000, right? Yes, sir.
This is room 6,000 peso. Without furnish, without aircon. Just only a room. Near MacArthur Highway. A real good location. Very close from hypermarket. Kamachilis. This is Kamachilis Street. Very close. So walking distance to Jeepney. Only 6,000 peso. Very close from MacArthur Highway. The tricycle drivers. Evening time, so many people, because food, so many foods here. Milk tea house, Korean restaurants also, dental clinic, street food, so many street foods. And very close from hypermarket. This is call center. SkyTech name, call center. Hypermarket. All jeepney stop here. From if going from Walking Street, we can take jeepney in McDonald's, Walking Street, and stop here.